Yo, what's up everybody, it's your name. And listen, I'm about to drop some serious travel knowledge on you. I'm talking about life-changing packing hacks, the kind that'll have you breezing through airports like a boss. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of an overstuffed suitcase, clothes exploding everywhere, that feeling of impending doom. Not anymore, my friends. In this video, I'm showing you the must-have travel organizers that are going to change the game. We're talking packing cubes, toiletry bags, shoe bags, the holy trinity of organized travel. And the best part? These bad boys are going to save you space, time, and a whole lot of stress. So, if you're ready to ditch the packing chaos and become a master of organization, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this show on the road. Alright, let's talk packing cubes. If you haven't heard of them yet, you're in for a treat. I used to think these things were a gimmick, but let me tell you, I was so wrong. They have completely transformed the way I pack. These FLYNGO cubes are like magic for your luggage. They come in a variety of sizes and colors, making it easy to organize everything. Seriously, it's like Tetris, but for your clothes. You can fit so much more into your suitcase than you ever thought possible. You get different sizes for different types of clothing, shirts in one, pants in another, and even a special cube for your shoes, underwear and socks. You get the idea. Everything has its own place, which makes unpacking a breeze. And here's where the magic happens. These cubes compress down, squeezing every last bit of air out of your clothes. This means you can pack more without worrying about space. That means more space in your luggage for souvenirs, extra outfits, or even that bulky jacket you thought you'd have to leave behind. Snacks, gadgets, you name it. The possibilities are endless. Plus, no more digging through a black hole of clothes just to find that one shirt you want to wear. Everything is neatly organized and easy to find. Everything has its place and you can actually see what you packed. But wait, there's more. These cubes also help keep your clothes in better condition. Remember those dreaded wrinkles you get from cramming everything into your suitcase? Packing cubes help with that too. Yeah, packing cubes help with that too. The material is designed to minimize wrinkles so you can unpack looking fresh and ready to go. The material is designed to minimize wrinkles so you can unpack looking fresh and ready to go. No more ironing or steaming your clothes at your destination. Trust me, once you go packing cubes, you'll never go back. They make travel so much easier and more enjoyable. It's a game changer for any traveler, whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time nomad. Give them a try, and you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. Next up, we're tackling the chaos that is your toiletry bag. If you're like most people, your toiletry bag is a disaster zone. It's a black hole where things go in and never come out the same. We've all been there. Toothpaste explosions, shampoo leaks. That one tiny bottle of lotion that always seems to open up in your bag. It's like a mini disaster every time you travel. Nightmare fuel, right? Well, say goodbye to toiletry terrors and hello to the VHKD hanging toiletry bag. This bag is designed to keep your toiletries in check, no matter where you go. This thing is a lifesaver and it's about to become your new travel BFF. Imagine never having to worry about spills or leaks again. First of all, it's huge. You can fit everything you need and more. And I'm not talking about awkwardly large, I'm talking spacious and well-designed. It's got room for all your essentials and then some. Multiple compartments, zippered pockets, even a dedicated toothbrush holder. This bag has it all. No more digging around for your toothbrush or losing your razor in the depths of your bag. You can fit all your essentials and still have room for those extra skincare products you can't live without. It's perfect for both short trips and long vacations. But the real game changer here is the hanging feature. This is what sets it apart from other toiletry bags. You just unzip the bag, hang it up on a towel rack or door hook, and boom, instant bathroom organization. No more cluttered counters, no more searching for that elusive bottle of contact solution. Everything is right there, within easy reach. It's like having your own personal bathroom organizer wherever you go. And did I mention it's stylish? This isn't your grandma's toiletry bag. The VHKD bag comes in a bunch of cool colors and designs, so you can find one that matches your personal style. Whether you prefer something sleek and modern or fun and colorful, there's a design for you, trust me. This toiletry bag is worth every penny. It's durable, functional, and looks great. The VHKD bag comes in a bunch of cool colors and designs, so you can find one that matches your personal style. Whether you prefer something sleek and modern or fun and colorful, there's a design for you. Trust me, this toiletry bag is worth every penny. It's durable, functional, and looks great. It's going to make your life so much easier and your bathroom counter will thank you. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to a new level of organization. Alright, let's talk shoes. Whether you're a sneakerhead, a business traveler, or just someone who loves their footwear, keeping your shoes in pristine condition while traveling is a must. Specifically, how to keep your precious kicks from getting trashed in your suitcase. It's a common problem that many of us face. We all know the struggle. You pack your favorite shoes only to find them scuffed, scratched, and covered in who knows what when you arrive at your destination. It's frustrating and can even ruin your trip. Not anymore, my friends. There's a simple solution that will keep your shoes looking as good as new. Shoe Shine. Transparent shoe bags are about to change your shoe game forever. These bags are designed with the traveler in mind. These bags are like little protective bubbles for your footwear, keeping them safe from the elements and the rest of your luggage. No more worrying about your shoes getting dirty or damaged. The best part? They're transparent. This means you can easily identify which shoes are in each bag without having to open them all up. That means you can actually see which shoes are in each bag without having to open them all up. It's a real time saver, especially when you're in a hurry. No more digging through your suitcase, trying to remember which pair of shoes you packed where. Everything is organized and easy to find. And don't let their lightweight design fool you. These bags are surprisingly durable. They can withstand a lot of wear and tear. They're made from a water-resistant material that protects your shoes from spills, dirt, and anything else your luggage might throw at them. This is especially useful if you're traveling to a place with unpredictable weather. Plus, they're super compact, so they won't take up a ton of space in your luggage. You can pack more without worrying about space. You can easily fit a few pairs of shoes in your suitcase without sacrificing valuable packing real estate. This is perfect for those who like to travel with options. Trust me, your shoes will thank you for investing in these Shoe Shine bags. They keep your shoes looking fresh and ready to wear. No more scuffs, no more scratches, just clean, protected shoes ready for whatever adventures await. So go ahead, pack your favorite pairs with confidence. There you have it, the ultimate packing trio that's going to transform your travel game. Packing cubes, toiletry kits, and shoe bags. These simple organizers might seem small, but they make a world of difference when it comes to staying organized on the go. No more stressing over overpacked suitcases, no more digging through a black hole of clothes, and no more arriving at your destination with a suitcase full of wrinkled, dirty clothes. With these must-have organizers, you can pack like a pro and travel with ease. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the links in the description to grab your own set of these game-changing travel organizers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, hacks, and adventures. See you on the next one.